Why is it important to see the dentist when I'm pregnant? That's the question written here.
Now, like I said, when you're pregnant, the baby and mommy are really one. They're connected, right? So if mommy takes care of herself, then she is indirectly taking care of baby, directly taking care of baby actually,
yes.
Because they're one. And we discovered that, and most people don't know this, but for example, gum disease will affect the baby, and sometimes babies are born earlier than they're supposed to be, and they're much smaller as well, and that's a reason why taking care of your gums before baby is born is important. And this is not something that's difficult to take care of. It's a little bit of knowledge, right? And to see a professional, because sometimes when we're pregnant, things change, like our diet, and we just don't have the energy to take care of ourselves the way
sure.
we would have if we weren't pregnant. And that's where little things can be taken care of before they affect your pregnancy and your baby.
So, Dr. Julie, I got to imagine that this is probably a bit of a new concept for a lot of people. I mean, I think a lot of people probably don't think about they're clearly thinking about the health of their child when they're pregnant, but they're not necessarily thinking about the dental side of things. So how do we raise that consciousness in pregnant women here, and what's important about that?
Yeah, well, research has found that there's connection between your dental health and your overall health as well. And when you're pregnant, you always want to make sure you're healthy, you're eating well, you're avoiding things that could harm the baby. But people don't necessarily think about what I do to my teeth will affect the baby as well. And so definitely we want to raise awareness in that regards, and we really want to encourage the pregnant woman to come in and make sure the teeth are okay, because any kind of infection could affect the health of your baby, can affect your health and the health of your baby in consequence. So we really encourage the pregnant woman to come in and have a look, and I mean it should be just part of their routine.
Their maintenance of their health, and
yes,
really
definitely.
and focusing on caring for this unborn child. So
yes.
yeah, it's great. I mean, I wouldn't have thought about it. So I mean, I think we're really helping people out by letting them know.